How to edit date and time for multiple selected photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, tap on the Pictures tab or tap on Albums. If you're in the Albums tab, open up the album and then touch and hold on one of the pictures. Then once you're in a selection mode, you can select one or many photos. You can also use the drag action to select multiple photos at once. Next, tap on the More button, then tap on Edit Date and Time. And from here, you can change the date and time in here. So you can change the month, the day, and the year. And that's it. After that, tap on Done. That's just the date. If you want to change the time, you can do that as well. So change the hour, the minute, the AM or PM, day or night, and then tap on Done. And that's it. After it will update the date and times for your pictures and videos of when it was captured. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you are in the Pictures tab, you can do the same thing. Just simply select the photos, tap on More, and then tap on Edit Date and Time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.